guys, my name is Soumya. So I'll be doing September reading over here. So you have to choose two piles over here, pile 1 and pile 2. Okay, choose with your intuition. I have set up these cards as according to you so that you can choose accordingly. So here is a pile 1 and pile 2. So take a breath and choose your pile. Okay, those who have chosen over here pile 1, let's check out what's there for you, and I'll keep this pile 2 aside over here. So what's there for pile 1 in September? So I'll start from love over here, then I'll be reaching to career also, and it's like a mixed reading. Okay guys, so it is like getting to know each other. Is it safe for you to love? Free yourself. And here we go. Here we have passion ignite. Number 1, passion ignite. Number 4, authority. This is an emperor card, I feel, from psychic oracle cards. And from Akashic records, I have king of roses over here. Okay, first of all, pile 1. You are meeting here someone new in the month of September. This person will be a very new person to you, and you will be thinking like, is it safe for you to love, to move forward with this person, because you are new to each other and you are getting to know each other. Okay, so this is a new person coming in your life. So you will be thinking like, is this person is safe for you to love? Yes, this person will be safe for you to love, but you need to free your mind. Okay, you are juggling a lot with your mind, like, is it okay to be with this person, is it not to be with, okay to be with this person. Okay, and yes, this person is an emperor, okay, for you, and they could be a bit angry, like, or you could be bit in an emperor mode, like you can be like act sometimes childish, or this person could be okay, but they could be your authority and they will be like, okay, I am your sugar daddy. So here is a passion ignite. So there will be lots of love between you both, and there will be lots of passion igniting with each other. It is 5. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. You can see 5 number a lot. So you can meet your divine counterpart in coming September. And this is a new love basically. And here is a king of roses. So this person's feel very lovable towards you. They might propose you with roses or something, and or you might get some proposal from your family side, even if it is not love. If you are a single, you can meet in love also, or from your arranged marriage side also, someone new. Okay, I am getting two energies, so I've said two energies over here. So this person will be like a bit of king of roses, which is like king of wands. They will come to you slowly, like they will be rushing towards to you at a time, they will become slow. And secondly, this person might be little childish. They might have some anger issues. They can be have some authority issues. Okay, they can be dominating at a time. Okay, or your ex could be, but here is no ex. Okay, there is no ex in this part. Here is the person who is coming towards you is a new person. Okay, and I feel you haven't met them, and you are having a conversation right now in a phone call, or you have might met them through your friends or a family. Okay, it could be possible from both ways. So let's see what your tarot says, and we'll jump up into your angel answers, what angels will say to you. So what's coming up in September for pile 1? And regarding your career, even I feel like you need to free yourself. You are not free from your mind, from anything. You are just worried about your money all the time. Like, is it safe for you to just uh, just go for shopping and all? Yes, it is safe for you to do shopping and all. Just give yourself a time right now regarding your career or anything, even if it is a love, because right now it's a time that you need to free yourself, and you need to see your authority, what you really want. Don't see what others are saying you or telling you, because you're not free from your mind. Okay, you are not feeling safe within yourself also. So your friends might be helping you around this way. You might be meeting someone new or some new friends around in September. So what is coming there in September for pile 1? So there is King of Wands, King of Wands. Wow. So this person could be a fire sign with Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. There could be Sun, Moon, Rising in their charts or in their planets. Okay. So yes, and there could be some Emperor also in their inner soul. So what's coming there in September for pile 1? Angels, please guide me relevantly. 2 of Pentacles. So you are not safe right now. You are not feeling safe if this person is safe for you or not. You are juggling a lot in your mind, in your head. And you might be having 2 options, or this person might be having 2 options who's coming towards you, but they will be choosing you, what I feel. So what is there for pile 1 in coming September? What is there for pile 1 in coming September? Page of Pentacles. So right now you guys are in Page of Pentacles. Okay, this person is just realizing very slowly for you. If you have met this person and if you are getting to know each other, yes, this person will be slowly coming towards to you. They will be like getting to know you more. If you have met them a year back, yes, they are taking a very slow move, but they will take action towards you with King of Wands. See, there is Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles. There could be a fun, full of fun things, and they will be little curious for moving forward right now. But they are realizing that yes, you are the one. In the month of September, they will be coming towards to you, and you will be getting to know this person, because this is a new person. So there is a Devil reverse. Right now you don't know this person. For some, for others you are knowing this person. And there is a Justice. So you need to create balance before this person comes to your life. Maybe this person is getting out of their darkness and coming towards you. Either you can also be coming out of your past darkness mode. This person might have kept you like in a waiting mode, but right now you are like, okay, I am moving on. And here is like you are being in with the King of Wands over here, and definitely you will get the justice from this person. For some of you, if you are going through a divorce right now, yes, you will be, your September, your divorce will be complete. And yes, the slow process will be coming towards you very slowly. Even regarding work, you have to be like, be in your authority. You don't have to be like scared person. You have to be in an action mode and in an emperor mode, guys. So there is King of Pentacles over here. So this person could be a rich person who's coming in your life. Either they could be a businessman. I see lots of enthusiasm in them in sports. They can be health conscious also. Plus, like, they have lots of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in them and a fire sign in their charts. Either you could be. Okay, and definitely the karmic cycle is ending between you and this person in the month of September. Now let's check out what angels need to say for you. What is there for you in the month of September? So what is there for the what advice you want to give to pile 1 in the month of September? And for some of you, the person from past also can come. Okay, so be careful about it. Right now I didn't say that the past person didn't came, but yeah, my spirit told me to say you, yeah, there could be another person from past who is coming in your life. They are realizing a lot. Communicate clearly. So you need to communicate clearly with your friends, family, or this person who's coming towards you. Okay, if it is from past, I feel like you need to talk, but you need to forgive them, but no need to make them enter in your life. Pile 1. So what is there for pile 1? What advice you want to give angels to pile 1? Success. What is there for pile 1 in the month of September? What advice you want to give to pile 1? अभी right time नहीं आपका. This is not the right time actually, but you need to communicate clearly. Whosoever is coming in your life, be it your ex or next, and I feel it is a new person. For some it could be ex, but you will be like moving on from this person. So you need to communicate clearly from a new person if you want the new person to come in your life. And you need, for your career also, you need to communicate clearly what you really want. And what universe is saying you, this is not a right time for you. Success will definitely come up your way in the month of September. Success will definitely come up your way in the month of September. The situation will improve. Yes, whatever you are thinking regarding September or regarding any person, your September will be good. Yes, things will be start improving first for you, and you will be getting success in the month of September, but it will be a very, very slow success. You won't get things in a one day. If you are wishing for everything to get solution in a one day, I'm sorry. So this was my reading for pile 1. Hope it resonated with you. Let me know on comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like button. Hello pile 2. Let's see what's there for you in the month of September. First we'll start from love, then career, both mix actually. So let's see. I've already shuffled my cards here before. So let's see what's coming there for you. So there is express your love. Release your ex. I feel this is your energy only. And there is a new love. And let's see more what Psychic Oracle says. There is a prosperity begins. Destiny, the world. So 1 and 10 plus 11. So you will be meeting your twin flame or soulmate. Lots of abundance coming to you in the month of September. And let's see what my Akashic says. So there is the Muse. Number 15. Sorry. So I feel you have having a less talk with this person. You might have chats, lots of chats talk basically, and not a phone call or video call. Even if you have like once in a week or once in a month or second time in a month. Sorry guys for throat problem. So what universe is saying you? Right now, I feel you guys are mostly still stuck with your ex, or if you're dealing with a current partner, you need to release them if you want to go towards another option. Okay, I feel you are still stuck up with your ex, or this person could be you are dealing with. Okay, they are still stuck up with their past and they are not able to move currently. Even if they come, they will be start realizing this thing same came in pile 1, so you can watch out that too. So right now this person is realizing, and this is a new love. Okay, there is no old love at all. In pile 1 there was both. So this person will be expressing their love and coming towards you while they release their ex in September. They know that you are the one from them, or you might be expressing them your love. Okay, so you both have a romantic feelings with each other, so you will be making, both will be expressing your feelings, and especially this person, they are realizing. So yes, they will be coming up towards you and they will be expressing their feelings. They see you like a muse. Actually, you're like a muse for them. You're a beautiful person for them. Muse, amusement. You make them laugh and all, and they feel happy to be with you. Number 1, prosperity begin. This is a slow move again, very slow move, a turtle move, but there will be a prosperity. Whenever this person will come, you will feel lucky, or either this person will be becoming lucky while meeting you. So there is a destiny. So you might be destined to be together, and destiny is making you meet. Regarding your career, even I'm getting a sense like you need to release something. Okay, move forward for a new options, and there is like lots of prosperity coming towards you which you don't know. You need to release many things. Pile 2. So let's see what is there for pile 2 in the month of September with tarot. So what's there for pile 2 in the month of September? Angels will please guide me relevantly. So there is 8 of Wands, Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. So what is there for pile 2 in the month of September? 3 of Wands. Lots of fire sign is here. So I feel yes, this person will be expressing their love, or you will be expressing the energy, vice versa over here. So this person was waiting to come towards you, and now yes, you will be meeting, you will be having lots of communication with them, but it will be like a slow still. So what's there for pile 2 in the month of September? 10 of Cups, Strength. I feel I should take out another card for this pile. There is Queen of Cups, and there is the Hanged One reverse. Yes, this person is realizing, if you're in a communication with this person is coming slowly towards you, and they are taking action slowly. They also keep on waiting for you to meet you, and they want to make you their family part. For others, I'm sensing you might be having some kids around. Your person could be married over here, but yes, they will be getting divorced very soon and coming towards you. And secondly, I'm sensing you and your person have very strong magnetic connection over here. okay, which will be getting more stronger in the month of September, as they will express their love very slowly, indirectly, and they feel you're a queen of cups. You think about them a lot, and yes, they have also a feminine energy in them, which make them feel to come towards you. Okay, so this is like they will make a move to come towards you. Okay, so yes, let's see what angels wants to give you advice. What advice is there for pile 2? So there is lots of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and fire signs in their charts or your charts. Let me know in comment box if you are. So definitely you are destined to be together. The ones your both love will be coming stronger slowly, okay? And yes, they will be making you part of their family. They want you to like be their part of family. They see you as a marriage material, and they see you even like you're a good caretaker for their family house. So if you're even waiting for blessings to come, yes, it will be coming up towards you very, very soon. Within a week, within 8 weeks, things will be start changing around. For others, this could be 8 months. But strongly, I'm getting a feeling like this is a 8 weeks or 10 weeks. No need to worry. Pile 2, no need to worry. Stop worrying. Release your ex. Release your past. So what is there for pile 2? What advice you want to give to pile 2? So okay. So what is there for pile 2? Don't stop. If this person is coming towards you, you are meeting around, you are having a fated meeting, don't stop. Don't stop for anything, even if you are having an options regarding your career. What you need to choose, you need to take action, just don't stop. Universe is saying you to don't stop. What is there for pile 2 in the month of September, and what advice you want to give? Angels, what advice you want to give to pile 2? What advice you want to give to pile 2? I got here 2 cards. Improving health. So you might be feeling weak, or this person might be having some weakness or stressing out, overthinking about you. So this person, I said no, they are realizing slowly like this is your new love and new person, or so yes, this person will be improving their health and coming towards you, and you will be also taking care of yourself, loving yourself, and yes, there is lots of abundance coming your way. Universe is saying you, once you start improving your health and you won't stop, then the abundance will come up for yourself automatically. You don't need to wait, you just need to let go. This is not the right time actually. This is for pile 1 also, it came. Actually, this is not a right time for you. Okay, opportunities, you will be getting lots of opportunities. It's up to you. But you don't need to stop for anything, and you no need to worry. You need just to release your past traumas, especially in love or career. You need to release everything regarding your past and just move on. So that's it. This was my reading for pile 2. Hope it resonated with you. Let me know on comment box. Thank you.